Hello everyone. I really hope you're doing well and keeping safe. As part of this session, I'm happy to talk about the Microsoft 365 Admin mobile app on how it will help you administer your Microsoft 365 subscription. The key idea here is to provide you means to be productive while being flexible at the same time. My name is Harish Kumar Agarwal, and I am a product manager at Microsoft, focusing on providing helpful capabilities to administrators of Microsoft 365 Business. In this session, we are going to talk about the purpose of the app, where it fits in, its current capabilities, and then show you demos of what all you can achieve via it today. I'm also going to give you a glimpse of the roadmap ahead and share how you can connect with us to provide feedback and influence the roadmap. With that, let's get started. Personally, I love this image. It shows a person who seems to be on a commute and is happy while engaging with his mobile. I want the same productivity and flexibility to be available to admins of Microsoft 365 so that they can be happy. And in case you're already in a happy place today, then how can you be even happier? And you echoed the same sentiment. We heard from you that you want to be productive while on the move too. And that is exactly what we are going to talk about here. The solution we have available for you is the Microsoft 365 Admin mobile app. With that, we wish to empower admins to be productive and happy through mobile experiences. In fact, the way users, including admins, work now is starkly different from just 6 months ago. To accommodate this, there needs to be a level of flexibility with how users work. With these uncertain times, it is important to make sure we continue to protect company data and properties. Keeping this in mind, and with the aim to provide flexibility in how admins work, we have added Intune support to the Microsoft 365 Admin mobile app. With that, the admins of all Microsoft 365 tenants, irrespective of the number of seats, can leverage the app today. It doesn't matter whether you have one seat of Microsoft 365 Business or upwards of 10,000 plus. You can start using this app today to get your job done. The app is purpose-built for Microsoft 365 admin productivity on the go. It is a free offering and is a companion app to the Microsoft Admin Center web experience. If you are on your desktop or laptop, do use the web experience. However, if you are away from your desk, then use the app to get the job done. The app is aimed to administer all Microsoft 365 workloads, and we will continue to provide more capabilities in this direction. The app is available on both Android and iOS platforms, and we are noticing how admins are leveraging it for the flexibility it offers. For example, 250,000 password resets are being performed every month via the app. As a result, the usage and the rating of the app are going up. So thank you for the love and the appreciation you are showing us. Next, let's talk about our value framework. We constantly think about how we can help our administrators and have divided our scenarios into three categories. One, start the day. We want to offer views to help you monitor key aspects about your tenant that you are interested in so that you can plan your time ahead. The second scenario is about save the day. Herein, you should have the flexibility to perform urgent tasks that address productivity blockages and security risks. You have the power to be the weekend or the train hero in many scenarios. Finally, the third one, notifications. We want to ensure you stay informed about important information and events across the tenant and the services involved. With this, let us look at what all the app has available on offer today. There are 90 plus tasks and capabilities available. You can perform tasks across user management, group management, resource management, and device management. You can also view and manage subscriptions, licenses, view upcoming changes via Message Center, observe the health of Microsoft 365 services via Service Health. You can also reach out for help and raise support requests. We have added new capabilities to the app recently across billing notifications, Service Health, report an issue, support for dark mode, and Intune's mobile application management, conditional access, and more. I'm not going to speak through this entire list here, but I do hope you give each one of them a try and you find good value. Meanwhile, we will continue adding more capabilities as per your feedback and needs. It's demo time now, and let us look at few save the day capabilities that the app has on offer today. Before going there, let me set the stage for you. Imagine you have spent the day working from home, doing household chores, and taking care of the kids. After that, you decide it's been a long day and you decide to head out to a local trail or hike. While on the hike, you get a ping that the CFO has lost her mobile device. Now, miles away from home, you need a way to act now to safeguard company data. And without skipping a beat, you open the Edwin mobile app.
Here I have a tenant with Intune's mobile application management and conditional access enabled. Now, one of the policies enabled here is that the app should require an additional level of security via a PIN. I had set it up the first time I had logged into the app. Now, each time I open the app, it will ask me to key in the PIN, adding an additional layer of security. Now, the app can be used by admins of all Microsoft 365 tenants, including enterprises. Expect the same level of security across our web and mobile interfaces. Let us return to the scenario where our CFO has lost her mobile device. I go to users and locate her. Now I can go to her devices enrolled in Intune, locate her device, and remove all the company data from it, thus safeguarding the company data. Additionally, I can also block her access until the situation is restored. Now let us look at some more capabilities in the app which will let us perform urgent tasks that address productivity blockages and security risks. Like we blocked her, let's unblock her back. Let us say if someone has forgotten their password, then we can go ahead and reset their password and share it on a mode of choice. I'll cancel this for this demo. I can also assign a license to a user and provide them with the required access so that they can be productive. I have now assigned a license to Adam. Then I can see all the services he can make use of. I can also add Adam to a group so that he starts getting access to the right information and has the right access. My last example here is in case I'm experiencing issues with Microsoft 365. I can go to Service Health and I can report the issue to Microsoft and bring it to their notice so that they can act on it. So I can click on the plus button and report an issue. Fill in the required information. Let's say OneDrive for Business is giving me an issue. My users are unable to sign in. Facing this since last 20 minutes. Please investigate and resolve as soon as possible. And I can also see all the issues that I've reported in the last few months. So you can see how the app lets me perform urgent tasks that address productivity blockages and security risks, thus saving the day for me.
Now that we have seen few save the day tasks in action, let's see another demo. This time we will look at start the day and notification scenarios.
Coming to start the day tasks, one of the key things we have heard from admins is that they want to be on top of the changes coming their way. They often look at it in free time or when commuting from one place to another. Going through the message center is a great way to do so. I can browse all the changes coming my way, and I can also share it with colleagues if required using the share action. Messages that I'm yet to take care of, I can mark them in the unread state so that I can come back to them later. Recently, we have also added the capability to subscribe to notifications for message center posts so that you are alerted when a new message is posted. For example, I have these two notifications. If I click on one among them, it will directly take me into the actual post of relevance. Let's go back. You can go to settings and then notifications to manage all the push notifications we send you. Notifications are a great way to receive important information across the tenant and Microsoft services that may need your attention. We have notifications for Service Health, Message Center posts, and most recently we have added billing notifications. And here I have enabled all three of them. We've already talked about the Message Center. So now let's look at Service Health and billing related notifications. Let's go back to the home page and let's look at Service Health first. So Service Health gives you a comprehensive view of the health of all the services which you are using in your tenant. In this example here, I see Exchange Online has 1 active incident and 3 active advisories. Let's go inside. Here I can see all active incidents and advisories. This is the incident, and I can see how Microsoft is giving me a duly updated status from time to time to understand what's going on with this particular service. So in case I'm running into any issue with the service, I understand that Microsoft is already looking at it and will be resolving it soon. There are also advisories posted so that you can actually benefit from them. And you can also look at, for a particular service, what are the recent other incidents or advisories which have already been restored. And again, for these service health incidents and advisories, you can subscribe to notifications so that you are alerted as and when they happen. Now let's talk about billing alerts. This is a recent addition that we have done, and the scenario we have gone ahead first is if in case your subscription is expiring in the next 30 days, then we want to inform you. In the first example here, this particular subscription is expiring in the next 30 days. Now we have informed you and alerted you about that, and you can take actions like renewing the subscription or sharing it with a fellow colleague who may take a similar action. Now this helps you not lose access to a subscription which you may be using for your active business on a day-to-day basis. This is the first scenario we have added in billing, and we look forward to add more billing related scenarios and notifications soon. Now I am back to the homepage. Now, apart from providing you with new capabilities, we are ensuring that the fundamentals of the app are also in a good shape. With the announcement of iOS 14 and Android 11, we have made sure that the app continues to perform well on them. We are also continuing to revisit our experiences often and enhance them to keep pace with evolving needs. More needs to be done here, and we will continue doing so. We also recently focused on the app's boot performance and have improved it by 3 times. So next time you open the app, we hope it launches fast for you and you have fun using it. Lastly, we've also added support for dark mode. So I go to settings here, go to themes, and change the theme to dark mode. Let me go back to the home page, and I believe the app looks great in the dark theme too. I look forward to seeing which theme do you end up using the most. In all, the app has good fundamentals too, and we will continue to invest in this direction as well.
Earlier, we saw a list of 90 plus tasks that the app offers. And out of them, we saw demos of multiple capabilities across the spectrum of our value framework. Now let's talk about our roadmap. In coming months, we want to enhance the license utilization scenarios. While on the move, you should be able to view and pay your bills, increase and decrease the seat or license count, be alerted if the number of unassigned seats go above or below the thresholds you set, and perhaps also invest in license optimization so that you get the most out of your Microsoft 365 subscription. We also want you to have a world-class support experience on the go. This implies being able to create support tickets easily if required, checking on existing tickets, nudge the agent, provide additional data to the agent, and perhaps get your questions answered easily via a bot, and so on. Now, on the further out list, that is the list of future considerations, there are multiple ideas we are thinking about, and we need your help in prioritizing them. They span adding capabilities across Microsoft 365 workloads to the app, showing recommendations to offer best practices and safeguard your data, increasing the scope of notifications to include more workloads such as security and compliance, multi-tenant management, providing additional native mobile experiences, and so on. If you have a personal favorite which is missing from this view, then do reach out. Overall, we are just getting started and we are together in this for the long haul. With that, I have 2 simple asks of you. 1. If you're not using the app today, then download and start using it now. Visit the URL aka.ms/m365admin on your mobile phone to install the app. Second, your inputs will help us prioritize new capabilities and fix any existing issues. So do reach us at feedback365@microsoft.com. I hope you have fun using the app. If you don't, let us know of that too. Here are other videos you may benefit from. Do go through the ones which interest you, and likely you will find new value in them, just like you did in this one. Finally, thank you for being here with me. I wish you happiness and good health. Thank you.